Yeah.
New
Voice is gone, but it makes it sound crazier.
World premiere.
I don't give a fuck about what's right or wrong. I'm trying to write a song. I am not a role model, homie, not I swear you're wrong. Anybody with the power and the following that's leading kids down a bad path, get the hollowing. I tried to bring the soul back to music, they ain't hearing it. Maybe if I sold drugs and dyed my fucking hair again. Maybe if these cold cut turkeys wasn't scared of him, they wouldn't wanna push me to the side like the Syrians. Ignoring shit, boring shit, I leave the mic torn to bits. Roll a spliff, take a hit, and then it's back to biz. Every single day is a grind, we don't play. When my time comes, I'm blowing up the game, cause it's full of snakes. It's 2017, George Bush the man now, while the president's at Mar-a-Lago with his pants down. What up, Melania? He trying to get inside of ya. I think his dick's too small, that's why he on the poly on.